Hey everyone, if you have just received a new Chase debit card, all right, activating it is actually super quick and easy. So today I'm going to show you three simple methods to actually activate your Chase debit card so you can start using it right away, guys. So let's dive right in. So first things first, guys, what you're going to do is the first method is by phone, okay? So look at the sticker on your new debit card, and this basically includes an activation number. Just call that number. Then what you want to do is follow the automated instructions, which usually ask you to enter your card details and possibly some personal information to confirm your identity. And once you complete the prompts, your card should be activated right away, guys. So another thing you can do is use the chat Chase mobile app, okay? Now, what you want to do is if you have the Chase mobile app, you can activate your card directly through the app. Start by logging into the Chase app on your phone. And then next, you want to go to the accounts section and select your new debit card. There should be an option to activate your card. Just tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to actually complete the activation. Now, another method, guys, the third method is to activate it as at a Chase ATM. So you can activate your debit card at a Chase ATM. Just take your new card to a Chase ATM near you, insert the card, and then just enter your PIN when you set up with when you're applying for the card. And once you enter the PIN, guys, just simply complete a balance inquiry or a small transaction. This will actually activate your card. And there you have it, guys. Activating your Chase debit card is that simple, guys, whether by phone, through the app, or an ATM. So if this tutorial helped, guys, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.